The school is one of the oldest in the area. For decades now, it has operated without a school hall, while classroom blocks also require maintenance.
As a parent, we are having here a school hall that Fridrich Awaseb tried to build for numbers of years, probably more than 10 years, that the community is struggling to construct a school hall. Fridrich Awaseb is one of the oldest schools within Grootfontein. It's coming ever since the colonial era. It's in the same condition the way it was. So my plea is to the stakeholders plus the government that these poor children could have at least a school hall.
In the absence of a hall, the school continues to pay for using community halls or church buildings to accommodate learners writing examinations, including matriculants writing their final examinations, a situation Tsanigab says is not conducive.
The children are carrying the school chairs, school desks to the community hall, which is probably few kilometers, 3 to 4 kilometers from the school. So that means that they need to carry their own school desks, the chairs, just to go write exams. And then in this burning sun and in this climate, the kids are assembling outside in the sun. So I'm pleading with the stakeholders and the government that at least for this school hall to be completed.
He called on the Parliamentary Standing Committee on Education, Youth, Civic Relations, and Community Development to pay attention to schools in low-income locations, whether villages or informal settlements, and to alert the Ministry on ailing infrastructure. The school is home to over 800 learners in grades 8 to 12. Plans are underway to host fundraising activities for the school to contribute to construction costs.